proceed with the mission. We'll regroup if possible.
Roach, follow me and stay outside. Contact. Enemy patrol 30 meters to our front. 5 men, automatic rifles, frag grenades. 1 German Shepherd.
Dogs? I hate dogs.
These Russian dogs are like pussycats compared to the ones in Pripyat.
It's good to have you back, old man.
Roger that. Let's follow them quietly and pick off any stragglers. Patience. Don't do anything stupid. We'll have to take them out at the same time. Convoy coming. Get out of sight. Let them pass. Two of them will stop for a smoke. Take one, I'll take out the other. Good. I'm ready. Let's take them all out at once. You take the handler and his dog on the left. Beautiful.
So, our intel was off. The Russians have mobile SAMs.
Roger that.
Have you found us some transport?
I'm working on it. Out.
Incoming! Look out! Follow me! Into the woods! Let's go! Let's go! Slow down. Their vehicles can't follow us this far.
Let them pass. It looks like they're searching for us.
не совсем рядом.
Dog patrol. Three-man patrol dead ahead. Take them out or leave them be. Your call. Nicely done.
Ничего. Смотри, Вова.
Large patrol at 12 o'clock. Use a suppressed weapon. We'll have to take them out at the same time. Take the two on the right. Well done. We got another dog patrol. Take them out or try to slip past. Your call. Got one.
So, what's the status of our air support? Over.
A UAV loaded with AGMs is en route to your position.
Roger that. This ridge is perfect. Roach, take control of the Predator drone.
What just happened?
There's a mobile SAM site in the village. It just shot down our Predator. So, we need another Predator. Roach, let's go.
Он слева, позади нас! Стой, идут цель! Убитый! Check your fire, check your fire. Friendly's coming in at your 12.
Plus KIAs. Good hit. Good hit.
Frag out! Christ! Ноги, 1 o'clock! Снимали их гранаты!
AGM missile is online. Plus KIAs. Good hit. Good hit.
Брат, смотрите, брат!
AGM missile is online.
Прикройте меня!
AGM missile is online. I repeat, AGM missile is online. Multiple confirmed kills. Nice work.
So, we've linked up with Ghost and the rest of the team.
Roger that. The second Predator's almost in position. Make it count. These things don't grow on trees.
There's the submarine, right below that crane. Roach, soften up their defenses with the Predator.
Watch for the flashing strobes. That's us.
That got their attention. The whole base is on the left. You'd better hurry. We've only got a couple of minutes before that submarine dives. We're moving. Arming AGMs. Stand by. AGM missile is online. Direct hit on the enemy helo. Nice shot, Roger. You're halfway there! BGM missiles online. BGM missiles online. BGM missile is online. Intercept on target. CTR destroyed. AGM missile is online. AGM missile is online. I repeat, AGM missile is online. Good hit. Looks like at least 3 kills.
I'm going for the south! Cover me from that guardhouse by the west gate! Roger that! Roach, we have to get to that guardhouse by the west gate to cover Price! Follow me!
AGM missiles online.
Alright, I'm inside the sub. Cover me, I need a few minutes.
They're down.
Incoming! 2 trucks to the east!
AGM missiles online. My+ KIA is good hit. Good hit.
Between those cargo containers! Contact to the north! On the dock! Next to the sub! Are you there? The silo doors are open on the sub! I repeat, the silo doors are opening on the sub! Price, come in! They're opening the silo doors on the sub! Come on, hurry! Price, do you copy? The silo doors are open! I repeat, the silo doors are open!
Good.
Wait, Price, no! We have a nuclear missile launch! Missile in the air! Missile in the air! Code black! Code black!
Gentlemen, the missiles vector puts it en route to the East Coast. We will lose the White House.
We've rebuilt it before. We'll rebuild it again.
Casualties?
Possibly 30 to 50,000. Depends on the exact location of the detonation. All systems will go down.
General Shepard, you warned us. We should have listened.
When they speak of this moment, we will not be the ones who stood guard while America died. One man is responsible for all this. Makarov must be brought to light.
Whatever you need, General. We've got a blank check.
Dagger 2-1, this is Overlord. Do you copy? Over. Dagger 2-1, this is Overlord. Do you copy? Over. Another target! 2 o'clock! John, talk to me! I'm okay! Target! 9 o'clock! Range 50 meters! Take this and stay down! Place down! Record! Reloading! Cover me! Record covering! Fast back! Make it go! Danny, contact! Good! There's too many of them! John! Fast back! Sandler, stand off! Wait! 80 meters! Got it! Got it! Tracer! 3 rounds left! Corporal! Hang on! Defend this position!
Come in, Sat-1. This is ISS Control. Houston's requesting a feed from your helmet cam, over. They want you to look over towards the dark side of the Earth. Should be cresting the horizon about 15 degrees east of the starboard PV rays. Sat-1, rotate your view a little further to the right, will you? There it is. We're getting your feed, Sat-1. Come in, Houston. Are you getting this?
Copy that, ISS. Video feed from Sat-1 is clear. Sat-1, keep tracking the bogey. We're looking into it. Stand by.
Houston, we're not scheduled for any satellite launches today, are we?
ISS Houston, stand by. You may have a problem here.
Houston, this is ISS Control. Any word on the...
Russians got us outnumbered. Shit's falling from the sky. We're totally...
Get a grip, Corporal. Our weapons still work, which means we can still kick some ass.
What the hell was that?
They're here.
You going out there? Are you nuts?
It's over. Come on. We still have a water fight.
What the hell happened here? Oh man, it's quiet. Is your red dot working? Mine's out.
Mine's down too. This is weird, bro. Looks like optics are down. Comms too. There's not even a street light for blocks.
Wow. Check it out, man.
Damn it. All right. We gotta regroup with whoever's left out there. Corporal Dunn, take point.
Star! Or we will fire on you! I don't remember the damn countersign, all right? I'm just a runner. Don't shoot!
The proper response is Texas, soldier. What do you got?
Colonel Marshall's assembling a task force at Whiskey Hotel. You guys need to keep heading north. So where are you going then? Tell everyone else. Get to Whiskey Hotel. Go!
You heard the man. Let's go. Done. You're up. Clear. I got our 6. Copy that.
Star.
Contact!
Contact! We set a cubicle! I can't get a shot! Cover me!
Вражеская пехота на 12 часов! Target is Oscar Mike! I have a target! Ramirez, cover me! Room clear, let's go. There's the Eisenhower building. Whiskey Hotel is on the other side.
Oh man, we gotta go up there.
Done. Check the vitals. We'll cover you.
No, he's a goner. He's a goner.
Keep quiet. Got a visual on 3 tangos. Stay low. Move into position. Clear shot. Smoke them. Move up.
What about those guys inside?
What about them?
I got our 6. Go. Clear. I don't know what's worse, man. Dodging falling helicopters or freezing my ass in this monsoon.
Quiet. I think I see something. Hold your fire.
Are they friendly?
I don't know. Star! Cover me. Star!
Say Texas, damn it. Say it. Contact! Contacting 12 o'clock! I'm tracking it! Впереди солдаты противника!
Street clear! We're Oscar Mike. Let's go. Watch for movement. Move up.
Feet dry.
Cut the chatter. Ramirez, take point.
Whoa, check out the seal on this door. I thought the president's bunker was under the west wing.
No, that's just for tourists. This must be the real thing. Open it up.
Real or not, man, this place is history. Hope they got out in time.
Hustle up! Get to Whiskey Hotel! Move! Keep hitting them with the 240 Bravos! Get more men moving on the left flank! What's the situation here? You're looking at the high ground, Sergeant! There's still power in the White House! That means we still have a way to talk to Central Command! If we can retake it! Now get your squads moving up the left flank! Go!
Sarge, are you reading this?
That's where we gotta go! Now get the door!
Roger that.
push through! Seconds, we gotta push through! We gotta get to the roof now! Go, go! Use your flares!
So, when we going to Moscow?
Not soon enough, man. I know we're gonna burn it down when we get there.
When the time's right, Corporal. When the time's right.
It's been a tough week, gentlemen. We've lost more than we ever dreamed, but we will recover. I've got a blank check, and we're going to use every cent of it killing Makarov. Despite what the world may say, we are not savages. We don't kill civilians. We use precision. There's an evil man hiding in these shadows, and we're going to bring him into the light. Once his face is revealed, we will write history, gentlemen. These are the last safe havens left on Earth for Makarov and his men.
Sounds like we got to be in two places at once.
Impossible?
Not for the 141.
50-50 chance to take out Makarov, eh? Captain Price, request permission to take the safe house with Roach.
Granted. Soap and I will take the boneyard in Afghanistan.
Very well. We will cut off all avenues of escape. This ends now.
Strange. Could have sworn we ended this war yesterday.
Snipers in position.
Strike team, go. Engage Makarov on sight.
Roger that. Solid copy.
Let's go. Let's go.
trucks leaving the target building.
Don't let them trucks get away!
Roger. Firing javelin. Danger close.
Danger close! Get back on the road! Bloody hell, those trucks are bulletproof!
2 away. Vehicles have been neutralized. Be advised, we have not, I repeat, we have not spotted Makarov, and no one else has left the house. Those trucks may have been decoys. Over.
Clear the safe house! Go, go!
Contact, 11 o'clock. We're calling it a show. Gotta go down.
Слева!
It's clear. Let's go! Top 4 clear. Roger that, top 4 clear. Get out of there! Ozone, make sure no one leaks through the kitchen. Roger that. Scarecrow, give me a sit rep. No one's leaving to the front of the basement. Roach, go with Scarecrow and check the basement for enemy activity. Breach clear. Go. Dining room clear.
Этому башку нужен...
I got you back, Roach. Basement clear! Copy, basement clear. All clear. Squad, regroup on me.
Scarecrow, photographs.
Roger that.
Shepard, this is Ghost. No sign of Makarov. I repeat, no sign of Makarov. Captain Price, any luck in Afghanistan?
Plenty. At least 50 hide guns here, but no sign of Makarov. Perhaps our intel was off.
Well, the quality of the intel's about to change. This safe house is a bloody gold mine.
Copy that. Ghost, have your team collect everything you can for an operations playbook. Names, contacts, places, everything.
We're already on it, sir. Makarov will have nowhere to run.
That's the idea. I'm bringing up an extraction force ETA 5 minutes. Get that intel. Shepard out.
Roach, get on Makarov's computer and start the transfer. Ozone, you're on rear security. I've got the front. Go.
On my way. Task Force, this is Price. More of Makarov's men just arrived at the boneyard. So, cover me. I'm gonna stop that guy over there and use his radio to tap into their comms. Ghost, we're going silent for a few minutes. Good luck up there in Russia. Price out.
Roach, there's an armory in the basement. Better stock up while you can. Makarov's men are going to do whatever it takes to keep us from leaving with this intel. We need to protect the DSN until the transfer's done. Use the weapons caches and set up your claymores if you've got any left. Defensive positions, let's go. Ready to engage. Enemy fast attack choppers coming in from the northwest. Roger that. Enemy helos approaching from the northwest. We gotta cover the front line. I'm moving to the main windows. I need someone to mine and cover the driveway approach. Roach, use your claymores on the driveway and pull back to the house.
Contacting your 12 o'clock! Roger that, I see him!
I'm in position.
Contact, 11 o'clock! Roger, target acquired!
RPG team approaching from the west. Solid copy. RPG team approaching from the west. Sniper team 1 to strike team. Be advised, we've got enemy helos approaching from the northwest and southeast. Enemy choppers in 15 seconds. Roger that. 15 seconds. Tango down. replacing. You're gonna be without sniper support for 30 seconds. Stand by.
Target yourself! Yeah, I see him! Roger that, I see him! Hostile, taking cover by the UAC! I have a target! Он убегает, убейте его! Патроны кончили! Этому бойцу нужно брать! Лейтенант!
RPG team moving in from the southwest.
Got it. RPG team moving in from the southwest.
Поэтому станю! Скорее!
They're dropping in more troops west of the house. They must be by the boathouse. Cover the west approach.
We got 240s and RPGs in the dining room window, plus L-86 machine guns.
Roger that. Use them to cut them down as they come out of the tree line. Tango down. He's down. RPG team moving in from the east.
Roger that. RPG team moving in from the east.
What the hell was that? Be advised, you have a large concentration of hostiles moving in from the southeast. They just breached the perimeter. I'll try to thin them out before they get too close. Recommend you switch to scope weapons. Over. Roger that. Everyone cover the field to the southeast. Move!
I got eyes on. Here they come. They're in the field to the southeast.
Tango down. Roach, the transfer's complete. I'll cover the main approach while you get the DSM. Move!
This is Shepard. We're almost at the LZ. What's your status? Over.
They're on the way to the LZ. Scarecrow is down. I repeat, Scarecrow is down.
That's one less loose end.
Does anyone copy?
They're dead, Soap. Shepard's cleaning house. I'm working my way back to you. Shepard betrayed us. Have to trust someone to be betrayed. I never did. Nikolai, come in. Do you have our location?
Da, inbound Price. But I am not the only one. You got Shepard's men on one side, Makarov's on the other.
We'll have to take them all out then.
Or let them take each other out. Either way, I'll see you on the other side, my friend.